Hello, English learners. Welcome to Learn English with Gaetana. If you don't know me, my name is Gaetana Berta. Today, we are going to say a two-word phrasal verb and its two meanings. ዛሬ የምናወራው ስለ አንዲት phrasal verb ነው። In English, there are two-word phrasal verbs. That means these phrasal verbs are the combination of two words. In addition to that, there are three-word phrasal verbs. These phrasal verbs are the combination of three words. However, for today, as I said, we are going to say a two-word phrasal verb. So, are you ready? If you are ready, let's jump into it. Okay, what is that phrasal verb? That phrasal verb is fall through. Fall through. FALLTHROUGH. Fall through. I think everybody knows fall and through. So let's practice the pronunciation of these two words. The word fall rhymes with tall. Fall, tall. Fall, tall. Fall, tall. And the next one is the word fall rhymes with ball. Fall, ball. Fall, ball. Fall, ball. And finally, the word fall rhymes with mall. Fall, mall. Fall, mall. Fall, mall. Okay, let's practice the pronunciation of the particle. The particle is the word that comes after the verb in a phrasal verb. Let's assume there is a two-word phrasal verb. The word that comes after the first word is known as a particle. The word class of a particle can be either a preposition or an adverb. phrasal verb ውስጥ ከመጀመሪያው ቃል ቀጥሎ የሚመጣው ቃል ምን ይባላል? ፓርቲክል ይባላል። የፓርቲክል ደግሞ ወርድ ክላስ ምን ሊሆን ይችላል? አድቨርብ ሊሆን ይችላል ወይንም ደግሞ ፕሪፖዚሽን ሊሆን ይችላል። ከነዚህ ከሁለቱ ውጪ ሊሆን አይችልም። So let's practice the pronunciation of the particle in the phrasal verb fall through. 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 So TH sometimes can be pronounced as ምላሳችሁን ወጣ አርጋችሁ ነው የምትሉት እንጂ ስ አይደለም። ስሩ አይደለም ወይንም ደግሞ ትሩም አይደለም። So you have to pronounce it through. Okay, that is good. I think all of you have mastered the pronunciation of these two words. Now let's practice writing the past simple and past participle of the phrasal verb fall through. Actually, fall is not a regular verb. It is an irregular verb. That means if you want to write the V2 and V3 of fall, you are not expected to add DED or IED at the end. እንደምታውቁት fall ምንድነው? irregular verb ነው። ያም ማለት በስተመጨረሻው DED ወይንም IED መጨመር አይቻልም። So, if fall is an irregular verb, what is the V2 and V3 of fall? Fall is V2 or is simple past is fell. That means the letter A in fall must be changed into E in V2. fall ላይ ያላችሁ A ወደ ምን መቀየር ነው? ወደ E መቀየር ነው። fall, fail. Fall, fail ይሆናል ማለት ነው። In addition, what is the V3 of fall? Fall has V3. So what is its V3? Its V3 is fallen. that means you have to add en at the end. So fall becomes fallen. The V2 of fall is fell. The V3 of fall is fallen. In addition, what is the V2 of fall through? It is very simple. It is fell through. What is the V3 of fall through? It's very simple. It is fallen through. ስለዚህ ቴንሱን ለመቀያየር ከፈለጋችሁ የምትነካኩት ስትራክቸሩን የምትነካኩት የግሱን ነው እንጂ የፓርቲክሉን አይደለም። የግሱን ነው የምንነካካው። ግሱ ላይ ነው እንጂ ወደ ቨርቡቱና ወደ ቨርብ ስሪ ለመቀየር ስትራክቸሩን የምንነካካው ፓርቲክሉ በፍጹም አይነካም። አሁን እዚህ ጋር ፓርቲክላችን ማን ነው? ስሩ ነው አይደለ? ነገር ግን ወደ ቨርቡቱና ወደ ቨርብ ስሪ ስቀይር ማንን ነው የነካካውት? ፎልን ነው የነካካውት። Okay, next let's discuss the meanings of fall through. Fall through has two meanings. The first meaning is the literal meaning of fall through. So, what is the literal meaning of fall through? Fall through literal meaning አለው። ቀጥተኛ ትርጉም ምንድነው? መውደቅ ማለት ነው። ከሆነ ነገር ላይ መውደቅ ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ ከጣሪያ ላይ ወርቃችሁ ታውቃላችሁ? ከጣሪያ ላይ ወርቃችሁ ታውቃላችሁ? ያንን ለመግለጽ ምን መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ? fall through መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ። For example, let's say, what is happening to this cat? If you say the cat is falling through the roof, you are correct. The cat is falling through the roof. In addition, let's see what will happen to this man. What has happened to the man? The man has fallen through. The man has fallen through. So, fall through የመጀመሪያ ትርጉሙ ምንድነው አልኳችሁ? ከሆነ ነገር ላይ መውደቅ ነው አልኳችሁ። Okay. The next one is, let's talk about the non-literal meaning of fall through. Non-literal ሌላኛው እንደገና we can use fall through idiomatically. Fall through has a non-literal meaning as well. But if you want to use fall through in its non-literal meaning, most of the time it is associated with businesses, plans, and also deals. አብዛኛውን ጊዜ fall through ቀጥተኛ ያልሆነውን ትርጉም መጠቀም ከፈለጋችሁ ከምን ጋር የተያዘ ነው? ከቢዝነስ ጋር፣ ከእቅድ ጋር፣ ከዲል ጋር፣ ከድርድር ጋር የተያዘ ነው። ስለዚህ what is its meaning? Its meaning is very simple. For example, let's assume if something is unsuccessful or if something fails, you can say that thing falls through. Okay, let's see the following example sentences. The player is keen to join the club, but the deal falls through. The player is keen to join the club, but the deal falls through. ያ ማለት ውይይቱ ድርድሩ ምን አላለም ማለት ነው? አልተሳካም ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር fall through መውደቅ ሳይሆን ምን ማለት ነው? አለመሳካት፣ successful አለመሆን ማለት ነው። The second one is, our business will fall through unless we are compensated by the government. Our business will fall through unless we are compensated by the government. fall through በዚህ ኮንቴክስት ምን ማለት ነው? መክሰር ማለት ነው ወይንም ስኬታማ አለመሆን ነው። The last one is, our plan will fall through if we don't arrive on time. So በጊዜው ካልደረስን ፕላናችን ምን ይሆናል ነው? unsuccessful ይሆናል ነው እዚህ ጋር። So that is all about today's lesson. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Until next time, take care.